सबसे ज्यादा आई थिंक इसी का नाम सुना होगा हमने.
I've never had Reese's.
वो बंदा हाथ खराब है.
Struggling.
A few moments later.
Packaging 015.
Your brain. Skill issue.
Skill issue लग रहा है. Skill 015.
Let's see.
I can smell the Snickers peanut butter taste.
Very peanut.
A little bit too, बहुत salty लगा starting में.
Too sweet.
Too sweet, too salty.
Nothing is too sweet for me.
Like the chocolate to peanut ratios of.
इसमें अगर कुछ crunchy हो.
Good.
Yeah,
जैसे Snickers में होता है.
Like if the peanut was like crunchy peanut butter
This
type.
is basically Snickers without nougat. Caramel
Yes,
nougat
it
वाला
is
उस.
like the taste is very much like
Yeah.
हाँ, बस crunch हटा दो, nougat caramel हटा दो.
3.5.
I mean, I think I can give this 4.
Not too sweet for me.
I won't give it 4.
Like peanut in general. So that was like very peanutty for me.
Yeah, like peanut butter. It's nice.